Hi friends, this video shows how to attach lens to Canon EOS R50 camera. First we have to turn the camera off. If it's on, just turn off. See, now it's off. Then from camera, remove the cap, this cap which covers the lens mount. We can rotate it anti-clockwise, then remove it like this. Then here we can see lens mounting index on the camera body. Then take the lens and remove the cap that covers the back of the lens. So this cover we need to remove. This also just rotate anti-clockwise and remove it. On this lens also we can find one mounting index in red color. See. Then take both camera body and lens, and then we need to align. Like this. Align the lens with the camera body using this mounting index. So we can attach it like this, then turn it clockwise. See, now here we heard a tick sound. That means it has attached properly. So this way we can attach lens to camera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If we want to remove this lens, just press this button, then rotate it anti-clockwise. First press and hold this button, then rotate the camera in anti-clockwise, so that way we can remove it. Okay, so please try this.